Hey guys, so today I'm going to print a jewelry box. I'll put the link in the video description. It's a pretty cool model. It just came out. It's a round jewelry box that's got 12 drawers that kind of spin outward. And it's going to be interesting to see how it prints. It prints as one unit, all one piece, so we'll see if it turns out. And now you will see it at the end of the time lapse. Okay guys, so that was 13 hours and 24 minutes. Let's take a look and see how this turned out. It looks good. It looks like there might be a little shifting or something here, but here's what I'm curious about. Okay, so that's one door that opens, I think. Okay, and it closes. It feels a little crunchy. Feels like there's some stringing underneath the door there. But it opens. Okay, okay, pops loose. Let's try this next set of doors here. Try to do it. So, walk the camera. Okay. I'm completely surprised it's actually opening. This one's a little bit tight. I'll come back to that one. Okay, that one opens. That one opens. And that one's a little tight. Let's just play with it a little bit here with a spatula. Okay. There's a lot of stringing. There's absolutely no support material on this particular. I didn't try support material on it. I probably could have, but I wanted to try it without it. Let's get a little bit of room there. And it opens up. I am surprised that thing printed. That is amazing. You can see what the way it prints. It has the pillars, 4 pillars go up. The drawers, each one prints around that pillar. It's just amazing. It probably could do better with some more cooling, reset some temperature settings and stuff. But the fact that it actually printed is just amazing to me. Looks like there's a little bit of shifting or something happened right here. But not bad. Actually, you know what it was? I think it warped. I think each time it did the bottom layer, it warped. Yeah, because it's raised up. That's what happened. It warped. So actually it wasn't shifting, it's just the way it printed. And then of course it did a design on the top. That's cool. Well, there that is. That's amazing. That's a cool model. I'll probably try to print it again later on with some different filament and try some different settings to see if I can get it to print better. But that's a cool little model. Once again, I'll put the link to it in the video description. And another thing too is the 500 subscriber giveaway that is ending on Wednesday, which this video, well, with any luck, will be out tomorrow morning, which will be Wednesday morning at 7 a.m. Pacific time. At 11:59 p.m. Wednesday night, the drawing will close. I'm going to try my best to draw a winner either just after midnight. I'm not exactly sure how Gleam works out, if it does it where you can do it immediately or if you have to wait. But I'll try to draw a winner right at midnight or just after. I've thought about doing a live stream, but I honestly don't have the equipment right now to do such a thing. Unless I can do it with my cell phone, I don't know if it would work or not. But what I'm going to do is I am going to announce it on Twitter. So if you don't follow me on Twitter right now, please do. I will make an announcement on Twitter, in which of course it'll automatically post to my Facebook page as well. But the winner will get an email as soon as I select the winner. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. I sure appreciate it. Have a great day and take care. Bye.